Now pay attention. The beginning says, note, also, Igbo complex sentences must be translated verbatim. That is exactly the way it is said to its English equivalent or version. But use the right tense or aspect. Ijemat, number one. Okwani Igbo, nwa say student say, Auntie, sorry. Amakwa normal ka ị na-agwa. Auntie, sorry. Amakwa normal ka ị na-agwa. Na ihe ngwa Nigeria gasị na bekee. Nigerian English. Student will say, Auntie, sorry. I don't know, or I didn't know you are talking to me. That's bad English. Agabo, Auntie, sorry. I didn't know you were talking to me. Because mgbe na-ama when a past tense. Kete ema with present tense. Make us say, I didn't know you were talking to me. Now I know you are talking to me. Then Abia. Number two, see, amaghịkwa m na ịbụ onye Imo State. Amaghịkwa m na ịbụ onye Imo State. Nigerian English wee sụa, I didn't know you are from Imo State. I didn't know you are. It's a, I didn't. Didn't is past tense. You must use past tense in the dependent clause. I didn't know that you were from Imo State. I didn't know you are. No. Look at number 3. I remember beer. He said, I don't know you drink beer. That's bad English. Okay, I don't know you're here. I didn't know you are here. Past tense. I didn't know you were here. Now I know you are here. That's what it should be. I didn't know you took beer. I didn't know you take beer. I didn't know, one, you took beer. Correct. Now I know you take beer. Past tense, present. That's the rule. Next, Asige. Number 4, Asige. Amakwa n'ikpọrọ mas. Hey, nah, amakwa n'ikpọrọ mas. Na Chukwu. Eju onye ba Asige. I didn't know you hate me. I didn't know you hated me. Now I know you hate me. I didn't know you hated me. Now I know you hate me. Amakwa n'ikpọrọ mas. Kita amatago n'ikpọrọ mas. Number 5 we see. Amakwa n'ịbụ ajọ mmadụ. O nwere ihe ga-eme gị sị nna amakwa n'ịbụ ajọ mmadụ. I don't know you were a bad person. Bad English. I didn't know you were a bad person. Bad English. I didn't know you were a bad person. Correct. So you see, I didn't know you were a bad person. Now I know you are a bad person. That's the proper grammatical equivalent. If you ever ugbu a, ka we na ebe a bụ school, put at home. Nke a number 6. Isi ma amakwa na na-akụzi n'ụlọ akwụkwọ a. Isi ma oke mma ị na-akụzi ebe a sị gị isi ma amakwa na na-akụzi n'ụlọ akwụkwọ a. Amakwa na na-akụzi n'ụlọ akwụkwọ a. Ọ ga-abụ na bekee na onye Africa onye Nigeria ga-asụrụ gị. I didn't know you teach here. I didn't know you teach in this school here. Bad English. Yeah, bad English ka na-asụ. Ọ ga-abụ I didn't know you taught here. Oh, you can have taught on Antigi, but that's the correct thing. I'm not going to accuse you. I didn't know you taught here. I didn't know you taught here. Now I know you teach here. That's what it should be. You cannot use didn't and teach. It's not possible. I didn't know you teach. No. I didn't know you taught here. Correct. 7 where see. Am I come na masịrị gị? Amaghịkwa m na m masịrị gị ọ sị amaghịkwa m na ị laikiri m amaghịkwa m na ị laikiri m ọ nwere ike oge ọbụla mfụ gị mkparịba gị na-agba gị ụkwụ esi m hei ofu mbọsị mkpọ gị sị gị alaikwana m gị si hei amaghịkwa m na ị hụrụ m n'anya amaghịkwa m na ị laikiri m ọ gaghị abụ na onye Naịjirịa ga-agwa gị na ihe ọ ga-asị gị ọ ga-asị gị I don't know you like me. Bad English. British English ga-abụ I didn't know you liked me. I didn't know you liked me. I'm not calling on French. I don't know you know French. Bad English. I didn't know you understood French. 1. I didn't know you knew French. It can be, but use understand. I didn't know you understood French. I'm not calling Ayara. I didn't know you were crazy. I'm not going to do it to you. I didn't know you were like this. I don't know you are like this. Or I didn't know you were like this. That's bad English. I didn't know you are here. Bad English. I didn't know you were here. I didn't know you see me. No, oh, the same thing. I didn't know you saw me. The same thing. I didn't know you wanted to be here. The same thing. I didn't know you spoke French. The same thing. I didn't know you spoke Spanish. The same thing. I didn't know you ate beans. I didn't know you took beer. I didn't know you were a thief. Or what if I didn't know you are? Most women I didn't know you. Oh, I don't know you are. I don't know you are. I don't know you are a fool. I'm on this with a danger. I didn't know you were this bad. Number 8. In our Guaco, when I say I got a chat, but I can't call him away, the guy, here. Number 8, we see. I took a me Nanya. I took a me Nanya. I thought you loved me. Yeah, bad English. Oh, God, I thought you loved me. I thought you loved me. Diggy, but when you get the number, it's Chineko. Imamora. I thought you loved me. But I thought you loved me. You cannot say I thought, which is past tense, and love, which is present tense. It doesn't go that way in English. Because the guy here, the guy you Chineke men ever endure Ohara, ne make a money. Well, learn cause of what? That was number 8. Number 9, we'll see. Am I coming Lugodi? I don't know you are married. Hey, Ajobeke. Hey, I don't know you are married. Okay, I didn't know you were married. You say, in Agwam. You say, okay, I took a main Agwam. You say, so when I became Nigerian, I say, I thought you are talking to me. I thought you were talking to me. I thought you were referring to me. That's what it should be. I didn't know you were talking to me. Now I know you were talking to me. 11 verse. Ajakwana Iboni si no ulo orun bank ya. Iba na bank. Homu kam ke bo tai. It's a manager. Because when enter, Singapore manager there. He said, oh, anyway, Ajakwana Iboni si ulo orun na bank ya. I thought you are the manager. Mba. I thought you were the manager. Sorry, sir, I mistook you for the manager. Oh, I thought you were the manager.
Bonjour. I can learn one. I can get you here in Akush. I in Akush as see. Case at what as see. I became. The Igbo grammar. How you translate Igbo grammar to English properly. Or they grammatically correct. And I need a book transliteration. I need a book translating Igbo grammar. What you say in Igbo. It's correct grammatical equivalent. Let me find it. The kind of people na kegaraga. I need a book. It's a model. Jebali glass motor. The buy glass on ya. Garo low glass ya. It's here low glass. I don't know more. Why come up on a come on. Let me tell you. Here, let me get to Kuokwa. Ya will on game. Because I be a lost word. I was anybody take glass or two to wind. The same spelling. W-I-N-D. Wind. You could be now. W-I-N-D. Wind. Can be verb. I was the past tense of wind is wound. The past participle of wind is wound. In conjugation, I will say wind, wound, wound. Equally, as now, wind, wound, wound. Oh, you got to move it again. Go, let's go. biggest, yeah, we would be more than us. The BO2, big, bigger, biggest, tall, taller, tallest. Go, wet, come. See, saw, see. Wind, wow, wow. Okay, cha. Go and wind the glasses. Have you wound them? Yes, I've wound them. How about you go home? How about you go home? Brother. How about I get glass here? I told you to wind the glasses, or wind up the glasses, but you didn't. He said, no, you did not tell me. If you had told me, I would have wound it up, or wound it up if you like. All because the buyer much of the most honest seeking who to answer. Nearly the amount of contact. Honest seeking who to put to the buy and start contact correctly. I'll get to that later, it's coming. Osi, honest seeking who to buy and Osi correctly. And I be a baby. People pidgin English, but I'm coming to that. I get me a wonderful phenomenon. The Igbo, I get the Caribbean to the one. I got to grab a cake. I went out, I was see. Number, yeah, the year we get number 45. Number 46 now, I was see. Amaka, you want to go glass motor? Amaka, you want to go glass motor? Amaka, then anybody can say that. Amaka, have you rolled the glass of the car? And then she roll it. I should we can roll up. Madam, what did you say? Have you rolled the glass of the car? I want to go back here, or glass here, I am. Swallow that head down and go to school. Have you wound the glasses? They say, yes, I have wound them. The medical glasses are Abaligonia. Have you wound the glasses? Yes, I've wound the glasses. Did you wind them? Yes, I wound them. Have you wound them? Yes, I've wound them. That's it. My mama. A good way, a good way. I got to say, the basic thing I call going to get. The Kangwadi, Nia never be any would I hit the king. Yeah, but I got us the king now. It's a time. I get cold mixing, may have it. They will have seen. Maga see which you cook this way. May have it. So let's make a guess on the king. But to put this swap, but I hate on this. As like how they are. When I get to where you got a number 47. Why did he Mba, why am I to one hour? It's a big to Monaka, Benadebe. Where to Monaka, Mambiam? Then the bike has in a big. Where to Monaka? The bicycle. I have a new baby in my hand. I like how I have a new baby in my hand. In the part of a young man, I like a Shashanes baby. Guess I see how I've gone to a camera. I'm a suckling mother. I'm a suckling mother. Lactating. Let me go back. Lactating. Now, then I got this here. I want the young one. Or the grandmother. I want the young one. Or the grandmother. Even the doctor said, Doctor, I had the young one. Or the grandmother. I had the legacy. My baby is sick. He doesn't suck breast. Ask. Obelewa doesn't suck breast. Obelewa suckles. That's what it said. So British English is my baby is sick. It doesn't suckle. It doesn't suckle. Obelewa, Mbabu, give me the mother. I said, hey, he is fine. She is fine. Say, oh, it is beautiful. It is what? Beautiful. Dear it. Eh, say, what I in the school then. Am I a G? Am I a G? Am I a G? Eat. I'm a grandmother. When I go to Mama, and I wear, and it say, eat. Oh, it's beautiful. The baby is asleep. Why do I lay it? 11 get you I can be able to lay it. I can watch a camera that she uses on a